Today I'm going to try out this USB-C to USB-C cable by DOCKCASE. So even though it's a flat cable, it's really flexible. This is like a rubberized material there. So first I'm just going to try it out in a charger. And a Samsung S8 phone, and it goes right into fast charge immediately. And what I plan on using my cable for is for a little external hard drive I have that snaps in securely, and now I have a short cable. I can plug this into my phone or my laptop without the extra bulk of a long cord.